Serta's Perfect Sleeper, two-sided longer life for luxury hotels. Restonic's 1,200 individually wrapped coils were over $3,000. Your choice, $499 in any size, twin to king. Sunday, opening day of the new Haynes Sleep, opening day prices. All the new Tempur-Pedics, the all-new luxury of Stearns & Foster, the new natural California handmade heirloom, the East Coast premier King Coil of Chicago. Opening day, up to 65% off. All $10 a month, zero interest, plus a free 50-inch TV. Get king size for queen sale prices. Free same-day delivery. Free power adjustables. Any size memory foam, a cool $195. Free comforters and sheets. Free mattress toppers. Win a free Tempur-Pedic or heirloom Rip Van Winkle. Because 3 million Virginians don't get enough. Wake up with Taste Unlimited and the new Haynes Sleep.